Chapter 3. Teeth and Microbes. Difficult words. 1. Temporary. 2. Permanent. 3. Incisor. 4. Canine. 5. Premolar. 6. Molar. 7. Enamel. 8. Dentine. 9. Pulp. 10. Microbe. 11. Cavities. 12. Bacteria. 13. Fungi. 14. Protozoa. 15. Virus. 16. Yeast. Looking back, match the words in the two columns. 1. Crown, above the gum. 2. Pulp, has blood vessels and nerves. 3. Germs, produce acids. Exercises. A. Multiple choice questions. 1. How many teeth would a child have at the age of 3? A. 32, B. 23, C. 20, D. 31. Answer is C. 20. 2. Which teeth help you to cut food? A. Incisors, B. Canines, C. Premolars, D. Molars. Answer is A. Incisors. 3. The teeth next to the incisors are the canines. 4. The hardest part of teeth is the enamel. 5. Which of these microbes help in making yogurt? A. Viruses, B. Fungi, C. Bacteria, D. Protozoa. Answer is C. Bacteria. B. Fill in the blanks. 1. A person who is 30 years old usually has 32 permanent teeth. 2. We have 8 incisors at the front of the mouth. 3. The sharp and pointed teeth in your mouth are called canines. 4. A tooth with a cavity will start hurting if the cavity reaches the pulp. 5. Bacteria are the most abundant microbes on the earth. 6. Viruses are the smallest microbes. C. Mark tick for true and cross for false statements. 1. You have 32 milk teeth. Cross. 2. All our teeth are of the same shape. Cross. 3. The enamel of teeth is harder than a bone. Tick. 4. Premolars and molars help us to crush and grind food. Tick. 5. A microbe is as small as a grain of sand. Cross. 6. All microbes are harmful to us. Cross. D. Answer the following questions. 1. How many set of teeth do humans have during their lifetime? Name them. Answer. Humans have 2 sets of teeth during their lifetime. They are A. Milk or temporary teeth. B. Permanent teeth. 2. Name the different kinds of teeth humans have. Say what each is used for. Answer. The different kinds of teeth humans have are A. Incisors. They are used for cutting food. B. Canines. They are used to tear food. C. Premolars. They are used to crush the food. D. Molars. They are used to grind the food. 3. What will happen to your teeth if you do not brush them regularly? Why? Answer. If we do not brush our teeth regularly, food will get stuck in our teeth. The bacteria will act on the food and form the acids. The acid formed harms the enamel and causes cavities. 4. What are microbes? Name the 4 different kinds of microbes. Answer. Microbes are tiny living things that can only be seen with the help of a microscope. Microbes can be useful as well as harmful. The four types of microbes are A. Bacteria, B. Virus, C. Protozoa, D. Fungi. 5. What kind of microbes are called germs? Answer. Disease causing microbes are called germs. 6. Mention any three uses of microbes. Answer. The three uses of microbes are A. Making of cheese, yogurt and vinegar by bacteria. B. Decaying of plants and animals by bacteria. C. Making of bread by a fungi called yeast. E. In the given diagram, label the following: crown, dentin, pulp, root, enamel. From the left side, 1. Crown, 2. Root. On the right side, 3. Enamel, 4. Dentin, 5. Pulp. Higher order thinking skills. 1. Which teeth work like a knife? Answer. As incisors help to cut food, they work like a knife. 2. You have cavity. It does not hurt, so you do not visit the dentist. Why do you think it does not hurt? Can it start hurting in a few months? Why? Answer. The cavity does not hurt in the beginning as it has not reached the pulp. In a few months, the cavity will start hurting as the cavity will have reached the pulp.